Do you want to give a gift to Heritage Christian School that doesn't end up costing you anything? That's right. You can give a gift to fund student scholarships at no cost to yourself. Listen to this video to learn more. Ohio has a new tax credit program where they give you a dollar-for-dollar tax credit when you give to a scholarship granting organization. This is different from getting a tax deduction for your giving. This is a dollar-for-dollar credit. Now, what does that mean? Most of us have to pay Ohio taxes from the income we earn, and most of the time, it's taken right from our paycheck. Or we end up owing Ohio taxes at the end of the year. What if instead of that money going to Columbus, it could be used at Heritage Christian School? You can literally send your tax dollars to Heritage instead. Here are the details. Each person can give up to $750 of their Ohio taxes to a scholarship granting organization. A married couple can give $750 for each person, making it $1,500 total for a married couple. That's the max credit you can get. You give on the Ohio Christian Education website and pick Heritage Christian School-Canton. The website is ohiocen.org. Then you click on OCEN SGO, then click on Donate to the SGO. You will see a form. Make sure you choose Heritage Christian School-Canton and complete that form. Now, if you'd rather mail a check, you can do that too. The instructions are on their website, or you can call us for the address. Now, I've done it myself for the past 2 years, so I can verify that it's true. And here's how it works at tax time. You have to make the donation before you file your taxes, but no later than the annual tax deadline of April 15th. So here are some examples. Ms. Smith got her taxes together and was going to get a refund of $100 from Ohio. She went to the ohiocen.org website and gave $750 to the Heritage Christian School-Canton Scholarship, and then she filed her taxes. Her tax refund was then $850 instead of just the $100. In other words, she got the money that she gave back. Here's another example. Mr. and Mrs. Jones got their taxes prepared and they saw they were going to owe Ohio $1,000. Now, instead of paying Columbus, they went to ohiocen.org and gave the $1,000, designating it to Heritage. Then they filed their taxes and owed nothing more to Columbus. Ohio considered their scholarship payment as if it was paid to Ohio taxes for what they owed. Now, if that same couple wanted to do the full $1,500 as a married couple instead of just what they owed, they would have actually then gotten a $500 tax refund back because they would have overpaid. So what's the catch? Because this is like giving free money, the Ohio Tax Department will require you to submit proof of that donation. But that's no problem because you get an email receipt right away. And if you lose your receipt, we can get you another one. Now, sometimes it does take an extra week or two to process your refund while the Ohio Tax Department reviews that documentation. But that's it. That's the only catch. Just remember the rules. Give on ohiocen.org website, because for this particular program, you have to go through them, not us. Give before you file your taxes, but no later than the annual tax deadline of April 15th. And you can give less, any bit helps, but the maximum per person is $750 and $1,500 per married couple. You can actually choose up to 3 schools to help, but we request that you help us by choosing Heritage Christian School-Canton. Thank you for helping our students get scholarships with your tax dollars. We appreciate your help in changing lives in our community.